guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews. And today I have a new subscription box that was recommended to me by one of you guys. Thank you. I love it when you recommend stuff. This is from a company called Kloxet. At least I think that's how you say it because it's spelled with like a K and an X and it's all very strange. But I think that's what it is. Anyway, it is jewelry and you get 5 pieces of jewelry for $20. And it's supposed to be more of like a stylist thing. You know, you fill out your profile and then a stylist picks out the jewelry for you. So it's definitely unique in that way from the other jewelry subscriptions that I have tried. So I have not opened mine yet. I am very curious to see what they sent me. And I paid for this. They didn't send this to me or anything, but I do believe that they have an affiliate program where if you sign up, they will give you a link, and if you share it, then you get like 20% off your next bag or something. There's a lot of packing peanuts in here. There's like all these pink packing peanuts in here. And then, okay, this little bag. This is a cute bag, right? That's cute. I didn't know it was gonna come in a bag. Okay, let's see. Oh, all right, what is this? Oh geez, is this like multiple? I still don't know what this is. Is this a choker, maybe? Okay, so this one, I think this is probably a choker. Maybe also, and then this one with just a little bead. So maybe you're supposed to like wear them all together and that's why they were in one bag. Oh, that's cute. Okay, that's gotta be a necklace, right? That's the right size for a necklace. That's cute. This one with all the little dangly stars, definitely a necklace, super cute. So does that count as one thing or as 3, I wonder? Cause this second bag has multiple things in it too, and there's more bags in there. So I think each bag counts as 1. Wow, this is a lot of stuff. Oh, okay, that's definitely a necklace. This is hard to show you. Okay, so see, there's one, here's the other, but then they fit together. Okay, that's cute. This looks like a bracelet. This is cute. Okay, so you've got like the rhinestoney thing there, and then I like the little tie on it, right? That's cute. Yeah, that's really cute. It's kind of dainty, adorable. All right, there's so much stuff in here. I can't, okay, here's some earrings. Those are cute, little studs. Oh, I like those a lot actually. Okay, all right, so we have some earrings. Those are fun. Oh, I super love these. Those are actually really great. Those look vintage. Those are fun, I dig those. Whoa, and then this crazy piece too, look at this. This is definitely a necklace. That's got a hefty chain on it too. That's cute though. Wow, and it matches the earrings. You know, the stones go together. But wait, there's more. Oh my gosh, these are too crazy. Those are fun. Can't you see me at like a pool party wearing these and some cha-cha heels? Those are cute though. Those are so much fun. Tassels are very in. I love, so are these balls. I've been seeing these everywhere. This is, I can't believe I got all this stuff for 20 bucks. That's amazing. I'm really impressed. I feel like I hit the jackpot here. Plus this bag, I'm gonna put some of this stuff on. Which one should I put? I'm gonna try this one on because I'm still confused. Right? Isn't that cute to have the 3 different layers? And you could wear them separately, obviously, or together. I could wear this a little bit looser. I like it though, I think it's cute. Ooh, those are fun. I really love the vintage look of these. Oh, I love those. I super love those. Like, this is my trendy side, this is my vintage classic side. What fun, what a fun box. I'm super excited. Okay, I will leave my referral link in the description box. If you do sign up, you can use that and then I'll get 20% off my next bag. This is fun. Thank you to whoever recommended this to me, and I can't remember who, sorry. But thank you, this was fun. What a great box. I love all of these jewelry subscription boxes. Okay, well thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!